The perfect shape. It has no beginning and no end. Infinite. It is the shape of the windows of our souls and how we see the world. We know what it's like to push through the tough times, the pureness of victory, as well as the lessons of defeat. These are the moments that make us who we are. We dig in. Character is typically not developed when things are easy. It's when things get tough. The soul strengthens and ambition shines. Without sides or corners, the world is changing in front of our eyes. But it's the tough times that will strengthen our circle.